We're about to do the same thing again and get out the fucking way in case we get shot.
We'll use that light so we can see.
Aye. Yeah.
I went in by
Hopefully it'll work this time.
Fucking hope. I hope so, like.
If not, we just chuck it on the fire.
If not, it's my fucking forest, I'm doing what I want with it.
Look how black it is inside that fucking pumpkin.
Fuck, come on.
Yeah, chuck it on the fire.
Ooh, that's a spark.
Get on. Ooh, no.
Come on.
Just light, you bastard. Light. Chuck it on the fire, Ian. We'll just see what it looks like.
Yeah, I will keep recording.
Aye.
Let's see what it's like. Fucking thing on a vampire.
Not much fire left, like.
Roman candle and a vampire, and the cunt's going to go boom. And it's on standing up.
Hopefully it'll go boom.
It'll
boom.
It'll do something. You see it stand up properly.
Go boom.
Go on.
Do something!
Burn, you little bastard!
None of us can go near the fire now.
I know, fucking hell.
Well, you can, like,
Which way
but
did you point us?
it's going straight up. If you come in and see it up,
Yeah.
it's going straight up, but the flame's underneath.
Fuck's sake, just go bang.
Everybody got a long stick.
Not this long. I'll get my dick out, like.
You wish.
On my list of dick. Shoot your fucking rocket at the bastard.
I'll shoot the fucking rocket out of the eye.
Done!
You put your fucking hand on the flame there, you know. Oh, this is getting dangerously close to this.
Got out!
Dangerously close to this fucking Whoa!
Oh my god.
Fucking hell! Right. It's lighting up the fucking field, like. Fucking hell. There's John in the background. There he is. Fucking dancing in the back of the fire. You better not fucking explode on me anymore, you little bastard.
Careful, it's pointing towards now. Nah, look out.
Last bit of our fire, and that's it.
And the rocket's going on the fire now.
No.
Right now, Luke.
Aye.
Bye!
Woo!
Bye!
Biggest time you exploded.
Say bye, out. Say bye.
See you later. Well, that's next time.